I can't have the double negative, but the end result. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by ISHOW Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now for this install, we'll be showing you guys exactly how I got to this point. Just know it did not start like this, okay? So you will want to see how I got this unit from A to Z, okay? As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Did you watch the install? I hope you did, because we got some things to talk about. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from ISHOW Hair. It is their deep, curly, lace front wig. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $68. That is a very affordable price point for a lace front wig, especially when it comes with a 13x4 lace parting area. But keep on watching, there's a reason for that. This unit comes in 8 to 26 inches, as well as 150 or 180% density. I got the 18 inches and 180% density, and my unit is $169. The texture of this unit is more on the silky side. When I did my co-wash, I didn't really get any type of shedding or tangling. So, you know, that's a good thing when it comes to, you know, like a curly unit. So I'm here for that. Now, like I said, this unit starts at $68. Over all the human hair wigs that I've done on my channel, the cheaper the price point, the more work you gotta do for your unit. Let's go ahead and run that back. The cheaper the price point, the more work you gotta do for your unit. You hear what I said? If you watched the install, you saw how this unit looked out the pack. It didn't look like this. The hairline was not plucked at all. It wasn't even pre-plucked. There was no, okay? The hairline was just the hairline, okay? So it took me a good 15 to 20 minutes to actually go through and pluck up my hairline, and then I had to go in and make sure my parting space in the middle was correct. And also the knots on this unit are big. They are a lot bigger than what I like for my units, especially because y'all know I don't bleach nothing but my whites. I don't do it. So I had to use my products, and even with my products, you can still see some of those knots on the unit. So if you see them, ignore them, okay? Okay, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Like, can we have one or the other? Can we have a pre-pluck with the knots or no plucking without the knots? Like, give me one or the other. I can't, how am I have a double negative? Okay, I can't have the double negative. Save me some time here. But again, the price point, the price point. But you know, it is what it is. We're gonna make it work. And some people like to do the work themselves. I don't know who those people are, because it ain't me. But some people like to do the work, okay? They like to customize it to them, and you know what? That is okay, all right? You already saw the products that I did use on my unit to get her like this, and I do wish I had my diffuser. I lost my piece. I didn't lose it, but I misplaced it, and I wish I would have had that to kind of give this hair a little bit more, like, make it bigger around here. But you know, it's not bad. I did say this was 180. It feels kind of like it doesn't seem like a 180 because of the length. This is an 18 inch, but the way this sits on me, it doesn't sit like an 18-inch, and I'm pretty sure that's because when you stretch the hair out, it'll be 18-inch, but wearing it in its curly state, it's a little bit shorter than 18-inch. I think this curl will be really, really pretty in a longer length, like a 22-inch. I think it'll be gorgeous. There are some layers in this joint to give it a little bit more, you know, shape, so I do like that. All in all, I was able to get this unit together for me, but if you are a beginner wig wearer, I would not suggest you get this unit unless you want to practice your plucking and, you know, your bleaching, things like that, to get the unit ready for you. Or maybe get someone to do it for you if you're someone who just can't beat that price. I mean, $68 is... that's affordable, y'all. And even if the 180% density is too much for you, you can get the 150, and that's about $10 cheaper. Also, for my big hair girls, it doesn't come all the way down onto my sides. If you watch my put down, you saw that I didn't even bother gluing it down. Now, I didn't plan on gluing it down even if it did come onto my sides. Based on how I have it on my head, you can't see it. If the wind blows, you still can't see it because the hair is blowing back this way. Like I said, I wish I would have just had my diffuser. My diffuser would have set this joint off with my body just to give her the look that I wanted, you know, as big as I wanted it to go. Let me see, where my hairspray? Here we go. I know this is not typical, but I'm gonna use it anyway to kind of give her the look. Okay, because I don't have my diffuser with me. Okay, so I just want to put some shape up in here. Okay, that's all I want. That's all I want. Where's my little comb? Here we go. That looks a little better. That looks a little better, okay? Oh, and I will say the lace on this unit though is really soft and it's blendable. So they gave us something with the lace, but as far as the hairline is concerned, you're gonna have to do some work. From what you saw in the beginning to now, what we thinking, huh? What we thinking? I think I got her together. The curls are definitely doing it for me, okay? Could I wear this unit out and be comfortable? Yes, okay? How I have it on my head right now, I could be comfortable. Could I rock it how I was at the pack? Probably not. Not for my taste anyway. Is it possible though? Of course, of course. If you want to rock it in like a little bang action and not have to worry about the hairline, because you can fluff the curls up and give it like a little sizzle look, you do what you gotta do, okay? Do what you gotta do with your unit. Like honestly, y'all, I'm not mad at the look that this is giving me because it's giving me a very like a beachy look. So, you know, I'm not mad at her. It's just, you know, the work that it took me to get here is not something I want to do every day. I'm not used to doing that much work for ISHOW hair. So if you don't got time, you may need to style this unit in increments to get her together. But the end result, okay, listen. Okay, let me know down below, Wig Baes. I know it's gonna be too much work for some people, okay, and that is okay. I'm just showing you guys what I was able to do with it so you know the potential of the wig. Okay, boop. But anywho, shout out one more time to ISHOW Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.